morning, my dear farmers. I am Praveen Pati Tripathi, subject matter specialist, plant protection of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Pampoli, East Gaming. Today, I will be dealing with management of leaf folder of paddy. This is harmful pest of paddy crop. It is common in maximum rice grown area. This insect is active from July to October, but it peak time in September to October. The larva stage of this insect is very harmful. The life cycle of this insect is completed in 25 to 35 days. The insect lay their eggs under surface of leaves during a day. Eggs are laid singly or in a group. A female lays about 135 to 175 eggs. Larva feeding by scraping the green matter staying within the fold result in the development of longitudinal white streak. Generally, one larva was found in each leaf folder, and feeding on that leaf, it moved to another leaf. They feed green mesophyll of leaf inside the folded leaf. A single larva can damage a number of leaves. The heavily infested crop has streaks on the leaves and appears whitish from a distance. Three methods are used to control a paddy leaf folder. Number 1. Cultural method. Its effective method, it reduces the population of rice leaf folder. Rice folder is take center at grasses and weeds during off season and continue their life cycle. So must remove grass, weeds around the paddy field. Hand picking of the leaves should be done. Use of nitrogen fertilizer when needed. Ratooning of rice crop should be avoided because the insect will increase their population in ratoon crop of rice. Grow resistant variety. Use light trapping to reduce the population of insects. We can capture adult moth by light trap. In this method, environment is not polluted. Second, biological method. It is best method of control paddy leaf roller. Biological control is the method of controlling an insect population by natural enemy or predator or parasite. Trichogramma species is an effective egg parasite of paddy leaf roller. When they lay egg, release total 6 times trichocard after 5 days interval. Number 3, chemical method. Chemical method is last action of control of insect and pest. Chemical used in crop field polluted our environment in many ways, do harm to our health and wildlife. Spray of any following insecticide at economic threshold level of 10% damage of leaves. Chlorpyrifos 20 EC at the rate of 2.5 liter or monocrotophos 36 SL at the rate of 1.5 liter in 250 liters of water per hectare. This insect is very harmful for paddy crops. They harm at larval stage. Cultural method is effective to reduce the population of rice leaf roller. Hand picking the larva should be done. Use nitrogen fertilizer when needed. Use light trap for reduce the population of rice leaf roller. Grow resistant variety. Ratooning of rice crop should be avoided. Spray of chlorpyrifos 20 EC at the rate of 2.5 liter in 250 liter of water per hectare. For more detail, please contact Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Pampoli, SEPA is coming. Thank you.